Hello, everybody. My name is Horace, also known as La Machine, and I have been selling on Amazon and Walmart for years. And in this video, I want to compare my 2023 revenue with 2022. That way, we can take a look at how I did. Now, that's what I promised, and I don't want to clickbait you, so let's get right into it, and I'll tell you some things as we go along. Okay, so now we're inside of my Seller Central account. This is what it looks like. And you notice we're in the tax document library. And we go, here you can see 2020. They don't have this in order. I don't know why. Maybe I could change that. Yeah, I can. So then we go back from 2011, 12, 13, 14. Then we jumped to 18, 19, 20. I had a break in there. But the point is this. I've been selling on Amazon actually since 2008. And I'm only showing that just to show you that, hey, I'm keeping it real. I've been doing this for a while. So anything I tell you about selling on Amazon, it goes back, at least from what you can see here. It goes back further, but from what you can see, it goes back to 2011. And that's important because if I'm going to sit here and talk to you about this stuff, it's kind of nice that you know, number one, I got 1099Ks that I could show you. Okay. That's a big deal because a lot of people want to talk about this stuff and they ain't showing you no money, right? So for example, we could look, for example, at we'll look at 2014. Let's take a look and see what that looked like. So this is what your 1099K looks like, right? This is the form that Amazon is going to furnish to you and the IRS. This is how you know this is real, a legitimate business. And back then, I did $65,578.46. Now, that's not what we're here to look at today. I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what we got going on. So what we're going to do, we're going to look at the year 2022. I got it pulled up already. You can see right here, calendar year 2022. We did $186,771.42. And then if we move on over to 2023, we did $212,872.83. And what that ended up being was $26,101 in increase. And what I ended up doing was going to a percentage calculator, and you can see 13.97. You could round that up if you wanted to an even 14% increase. Guys, this isn't crazy, but at least it was a step in the right direction, right? Now, I also sell on Walmart. Same thing, guys. What you want to do, you have different ways you can get paid through there. I choose to be paid through what's called Hyper Wallet. And you can see the years go from 2021, 22, and 23. I started the account in 2020, sold absolutely nothing. But so we're looking, where's that? Yeah, 2022. Boy, they got that small. In 2022, I did $24,712.96. Looks like maybe that's 98. And moving on to 2023, I did $29,636.63. So that was an increase of $4,924.63. And that ended up being a 19.9255. You might as well just say a 20% increase. Again, guys, these aren't crazy numbers. But again, like I said, these are real. So you know, I would say it was a success. Now, of course, I want to do much more than that, but I put a lot of videos out, and I love being transparent. Thank you so much for checking that out. There's a few more things that I want to talk about, but I'm not going to waste your time if you don't want to just hear the other things that I want to add. For those of you who have had enough, thank you so much. And also, don't forget, there are plenty of resources available right down in the description. The main one, the most valuable thing I can offer you, is my time for absolutely nothing. It don't cost you nothing. My number is right there. We'll put it on the screen. We'll put it down in the description. Text the words working class hustler to that number. And after you text the words working class hustler, continue typing whatever it is your concern, your issue, your question is, and it would be my pleasure to help you. And if I can't do it, I will run it up the chain. I have a whole team of people that want to give to you. This is where you start. This certainly does not have to be where you finish. Think about it, guys. A lot of people are out here talking about, selling on Amazon, making money online and all this and that. That's all great. But if you're a person who just can't seem to get started, need help, want someone that's a little bit further ahead than you that can help you out, hey, there's a lot of people out here talking this stuff. But the fact is, if you can't pick up your phone and call them, they ain't really trying to get to know you like that. Okay? So you got a chance. It's up to you. Most people don't take it. So, don't feel as though you're bothering me. Most people don't do it for whatever reason. I may never know, because I've offered my number for years and years, and very few people take advantage. But you know what? You might be that one person. You might be that 1% that actually want to connect and actually want someone that's going to help you and guide you, because you really want to take action. I can't tell you why you should be out here watching these videos. Maybe you're never going to do anything, and that's okay. Maybe all you want to do is study, research, whatever the case. I don't judge you for that. No more than I judge the person that wants to spend his time watching stupid fights on YouTube or funny cat videos or whatever. Nobody says anything about them and what they choose to do with their time. So I can't tell you that just because you watch and learn from these videos that you have to take action. You don't have to do that. I'm happy to have you spending your time just becoming aware of ways that you can make money. And another thing, guys, you'll notice I don't pitch a lot of lifestyle. I have nice things. I don't show that stuff. It's very rare that you will see my exotic car and all of that stuff, because that's just not what I'm about. Someday I might do that. Here's what we're not going to do. We're not going to have me someday decide to show lifestyle and have people saying it's BS. No, because we're going to go back over 400 videos and you're going to see where I came from. We're not going to play this game where you get to say, he's a guru, he's lying. No, I ain't got time for that. I've put too much into this, and I've never put myself out there trying to BS you. My numbers are not all that impressive. The concept is not all that new. I don't follow trends. If I did, I would be talking about artificial intelligence right now. I would be telling you that you could make money by doing nothing. I would be telling you you could stay at home, you could fire your boss, and you could just get money laying around. That's not how I do it. So I don't need to try and sell you on that, because I'm not trying to sell you anything. That's what I love about just being transparent. And my truth is really not all that impressive. I got these two hands. I put them to work, both on a regular job and also in my own business. And I love it. But I embrace work. A lot of people run away from work. I found it's not good for health. I've found it's not good for wealth either. But I'm going to be, I just enjoy being transparent with you. I learned how to make money in my 30s. Look at those. You just looked at the 1099s that are available through, my Amazon account. So you were going back to 2011. That's 12 years. Okay. I was 42 then, but I really figured out how to make money. Really figured it out when I was about 38, something like that. Okay. Now here I am, 54 now, and I'm just being transparent with you. I've known how to make money. The real issue is knowing how to keep it. That's where I made my problems, and I'm still recovering from that. Again, guys, I ain't trying to sell you nothing, so I can just tell you the truth. And I say that not to impress you, but to impress upon you the fact that making money is not that hard. All you need is to figure out what people want and figure out how you can get it to them with some sort of profit margin left for you. Okay. Now, if you want to know how much I got to keep out of all that, you're just going to have to, continue watching the videos, because I haven't had my taxes done yet, but I'm going to get them done. And just like last year, I have a video, we'll link to it, where I showed my tax returns, and I'm an LLC. I file as an S corporation because better tax benefits for me, for my situation, not you, not anyone else. This was something that was advised by my tax professional, blah, blah, blah. I don't do my own taxes. And when you see them, if you watch that video, it's like this. There's no way I could, I could do all that. I mean, when you add up what I did between both Walmart and Amazon, you're talking $242,508. And a lot of people will be asking, well, how much did you get to keep? And I can't tell you right off. I can give you a roundabout number. Just watch the video. You watch the other one and you'll see. Guys, I pay a pretty penny in taxes, right? This is a legitimate business. We're not going to talk about tax strategy. That's just not what this is about. If you think you can do better with your tax strategies, go right ahead. That's what people do, right? I'm here to teach you how to ride a bike. Where you go with it, maybe you got a better way. Maybe you get better, maybe you're much more efficient. I'm here to help those who don't know how to ride a bike learn how to ride a bike. Now, where you go with it is up to you. So you really don't need to ask me, well, Horace, why are you driving around in circles? Why? You could be doing this. You could be. No, it's not about that. It's about me taking my time, my effort, my energy, and yes, my money for years and years and years, because I've been teaching this since 2017 and teaching you how to do something that you're not already doing. If you're already doing it, you don't need this. That's fine. If you can do it better, more power to you. But that's not who I'm looking for. I'm looking for the person who does not know how to work a regular job, and then on top of that, have a business that's bringing in easily an extra $2,000 a month. Okay. You're watching the videos, you're studying, you're researching, and you're serious, but yet it hasn't happened. Take advantage. Get on the phone. Let's figure out what the problem is. You could be doing this. And I hope that this encourages you. I hope that me taking the time to show this means something. And I hope that, I hope you would give this video a thumbs up, a like, a share, and that will let me, the lovely Miss Karen, and my producer Jim know that what we're doing is making a difference out here. We're doing this for you, and we love it. That's why we never stop. So yeah, I could just go on and on. If you guys like that type of content, let me know. If you don't, let me know. But yeah, stay tuned. We will have one after I get my taxes done. And I don't think I usually end up getting an extension. I don't think I'm gonna get one this year because my tax preparer is already on me like, yo, where's your documents? And of course I gotta gather up all types of stuff. I'm horrible with that, but we get it done. All right, guys. Make sure you watch those other videos. Make sure you leave comments. Let me know if there's anything we can do to help you. We're here for you. All right, guys. We'll see you in the next video.